Hey guys, once again, this is Matthew. I go by TingThing on the internet. I'm the developer of Platform Builder. We are on the 4th tutorial covering page 6 of the manual. Today we are talking about controls for playing your game. It sounds simple, and it is, but there are a few special things you'll want to know here. You might recall in the first video I showed you the Options menu, which allows you to map your own keyboard controls. Just hover over the key you want to change, press your desired key to change it. That's simple. I can select for player 2, or even use a controller. Right now nothing is plugged in, but I have a USB Xbox controller right here. If I plug that in now, we have access to these controls. Same idea. Hover over your mouse, press the button you want to use on your controller, and there you go. Now inside one of these games, I have a pre-built level that I would like to show you. Here is a sign that says, press Control to jump. Well, that's not right anymore. I changed the jump key to space. So I could go back in and change this to press space to jump, and that could work, but it really doesn't fix the problem. See, the thing is, when you have a person playing your game, they're going to start in the title screen. And from the title screen, that person will also have the ability to change his or her keys. This means anyone playing your game can set their own keys. Maybe you share this game with someone and that person likes to use the button J. We need our sign to change with it. Thankfully, there is a way. Instead of saying press J to jump or whatever, I can put the word jump in brackets and it will adjust accordingly. As you can see, now the sign says press J to jump. Press escape. Of course, the brackets work with any key, so I could do this for all other things like picking an item, attacking, or whatever. If you go to the manual on page 6, you'll see a list of all the different movement controls that you can write out in the brackets right down here. This works for signs or any other types of messages that you display in Platform Builder. If you'd like to understand how to use other special moves as well, you'll find that on the same page, things like hover and glide and ground pound. But keep in mind that many of these moves are disabled by default. You will need to go into Game Setup, Character Setup, and then click on the moves that you want to enable. So that's controls. Let me give you a quick bonus hint. You can actually put a lot more stuff in brackets than just controls. For instance, you can put the word health in brackets to display the number of health remaining. You can put the word lives, almost any of this stuff, it will work. And this is part of a larger conversation regarding commands in Platform Builder. If you haven't already noticed, Platform Builder offers hundreds of commands that you can just type into your custom items, enemies, and so on, and it will do it for you. It's basically a bridge into actual programming, but a lot more simple. We don't have that on the manual because there is a whole web page devoted to helping you learn commands. If you go to theplatformbuilder.com, under Learn, select Command Prompt, you'll discover pretty quickly just how much Platform Builder can do for you. Alright guys, that's it for this tutorial. In the next video, we're going to look at Advanced Mode and how you can use those extra tools to connect your levels and overworlds together in different kinds of ways. I'll see you then.